Uh, I like the conference because it's open platform for all the evangelical church and believers, and also for Orthodox and Catholic, other even Muslims are there. So this the influence of media and influence of the negative impact of this prosperity gospel touch every area of life, not only for evangelicals. So by using this platform, we can show the right direction. This
Mm.
is the true. This is true gospel. The gospel, those prosperity gospel preachers are preaching different kind of things. We may not mention everything, but we show the true way of life. The true way of life is this one. We have been doing for different in the different areas. We did in Jinka, Osana, Drami, and last year in Bedesa, Walaita. So that gave us this platform to challenge all people.